Hello, friend. This is Jay with Web App Zero, and I wanted to share a quick tip with you. We've had an interesting discussion on discussthevalueoflearning.org about just-in-time versus just-in-case learning. And in the vein of that conversation, I've been focusing on just-in-time learning, which means really just sort of learning things as I need them. And this was a really cool little experience for me today because I'm not an expert programmer, but I really enjoy learning and learning to program. And it's always nice when I can answer my own questions or use the computer to answer my own questions. And today I was reading some developments in JavaScript, and I'm on the website exploringjs.com. And I came across some syntax that I wasn't familiar with. And that is this particular syntax right here, where we have a backtick expression. And inside of the backtick expression, we have the dollar curly braces. And I've seen in other libraries that these are used for templates, but I was really sort of surprised to see this as a core part of JavaScript. And so I was just not familiar with this. And I was trying to think, well, how can I figure out what this is without like going and doing a full-blown Stack Overflow question and that. So I did a Google search for JavaScript syntax checker, and that brought up several possibilities, and I decided to click on this one all the way down here at the bottom called beautifytools.com, and that took me to their website where I pasted in the statement in question. And you can see over here the linting, the results of the validation sort of come up automatically here, and it says on this first line, template literal syntax is only available in ES6. Well, ES6 is ECMAScript 6. ECMAScript is an alternative name for JavaScript, named after the European Commission that handles the standards. And anyway, so all of this was a big hint about what this is, template literal syntax. So I did a Google search for ES6 template literals, and I think I would have put in template literal syntax or ES template literal syntax, but there was a suggestion that popped up in Google to just do ES template literal, so I went with that. And then I clicked on the top option there, item, and this is an article from the Mozilla Developer Network about template literals, and it gets right into it in the description and tells me basically what this is. And so this was just kind of a little victory for me today. Sometimes it's fun to celebrate the little wins that we have along the way, to where I had a question. I was trying to figure out how can I figure out what this is on my own without having to go necessarily interrupt someone else's what they're doing. And this is just really cool that I was able to look at something like this and say, I don't know what this is. How can I figure it out? And to have a couple of ideas and to just follow my nose and then to get the answer that I was looking for. So that was just a fun experience for me today, and I just wanted to share that with you if it helps you out in your learning path as well. And I think it's a really nice little tool for the just-in-time learning, as we're just reading little bits of code from here and there out on the internet. So I hope this is a feather of experience in your cap as well, a little tip and trick that you can use along the way. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.